Hi everyone, and welcome to this walkthrough of the marketing page on your dashboard. This page lies about halfway down navigation pane on the left-hand side. We've made several powerful enhancements to help you better understand which of your referral sources are driving value and where there's untapped opportunity. So let's dive in. At the top left corner, you'll see the metric selector. This allows you to choose how you want to rank your referral sources by revenue, units, new patients scheduled, opportunities, or conversions. Simply choose a metric that aligns with the insight you're looking for. Next to that, you'll see a horizontal bar chart that ranks your referral sources based on the selected metric. This visual gives you a quick snapshot of who your top performers are. Want more detail? Click the Table View button on the top right corner of this chart and you'll see a side-by-side comparison of each referral source's performance year-to-date compared to the same period last year and what the growth percentage was. This makes it easy to spot trends, who's growing, who's declining, and where to focus your attention. Below that, in the bottom left, is your referral source trend visual, a vertical bar graph that shows you your top 5 referral sources by month, with each segment color-coded for clarity. For example, in January, you can see the top 5 referral sources that make up this month. You'll notice the number 1 referral source is physician referral. However, if we look at February, the number 1 referral source is still physician referral, however, by a smaller overall value than what we saw in January. Using the slider above, we can expand this view to include many more referral sources. This lets you see your full referral mix in action. If you prefer, you can also toggle into Table View, where we've added helpful color coding to instantly spot underperformers or standout contributors for your selected metric. For example, if you're analyzing opportunities, you have the option to break it down further into new patient opportunities and existing patient opportunities. Simply deselect one or the other, and all the numbers in the chart update accordingly. Here we're looking at new patient opportunities by referral source compared to the same period last year. Alternatively, we can easily switch to T12 baseline to compare it to a trailing 12-month average instead. You also have further options to view this chart by week, month, quarter, or year. This entire section gives you real actionable insights into what's working and what's not, so you can double down on high ROI activities and phase out ineffective ones. Now to the bottom right corner, here is your referral source pipeline visual. We recently launched the pipeline concept in our patient flow module, and here you get to see it from a marketing perspective. Just a quick reminder, pipeline is defined as the sum of future and open opportunities. Here you can quickly see, as of today, what does your pipeline look like between new and existing patients, and how does that compare to a trailing 12-month baseline? You can also see how these have been trending over the last 12 months. To get further into the marketing side of things, click into the table view where this visual breaks that down by referral source over time, connecting the dots between where patients come from and what happens next. Are certain referral sources filling up your schedule, or are others drying up? This tool helps you identify patterns, plan proactively, and forecast your sales and staffing with more confidence. And finally, in the top right is the Database Analyzer, a powerful way to assess the potential in your database. It displays key figures such as your total active private pay patient count, your upgrade potential by determining how many of those have hearing aids that are over 4 years old and over 3 years old since last fit, your tested not treated patients, and your total opportunity base, which comes from adding up your total 3+ private pay patients, tested not treated patients, and 3+ TPA patients. Click into the table view to see how your numbers stack up against the MVP benchmark. This is all about unlocking value that's already in your database, patients you have already worked hard to acquire. It's a fast and simple way to drive more revenue without needing to generate new leads. That wraps up our marketing page. With these enhancements, you have the clarity and power to make smarter, faster marketing decisions, all grounded in real data. No spreadsheets, no guesswork, just actionable insights to grow your business. Thanks for watching, and as always, reach out if you need help interpreting the data or want strategic support on next steps.